Hello and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. I am Delon McCord and I'll be teaching Curriculum Assistance Math to support with Math 1, Curriculum Assistance English to support with English 4, and Co-Taught Math 1, which will be during 4th block with Ms. Breton. So first, I want to introduce myself. I'm entering my 15th year of being a special educator. I've worked with children for well over 20 years. And this year I was actually selected by my peers to be Central's Teacher of the Year. I was a top 5 finalist for Teacher of the Year for Cabarrus County. I'm a proud parent of 3 beautiful daughters, 1 dog, and 2 cats. As it relates to our remote learning plan, we're currently under Plan C, which is 100% virtual instruction. Students are expected to participate in synchronous learning, which is live with a teacher, Monday through Thursday, with Friday providing some flexibility to do independent work, engage in office hours, or conferencing with teachers as needed. All instructional assignments can be found in Canvas, and instruction will virtually take place using Microsoft Teams. To access Canvas, you're going to go to the school's website and look for this section that would be located on the right side of the screen. The Canvas icon is circled. Lessons will be organized by week so that students will know exactly where they need to go, and they can just look at the labels to see what they should be working on for that day. There will also be a daily check-in for students to complete in Canvas, which will mostly serve as a way for me to take attendance. My preferred method of communication is email. However, I'm going to take you to my syllabus so that you can see that there's other methods for you to use to contact me as well. So here is the school's web page. This is the home page. To access any of the teachers, you can go to academics and look up a specific teacher under faculty or staff directory. However, I'm going to take you to my specific home page through our department, which is Exceptional Children. Here you'll see all the EC teachers we have at Central, and here I am right here. So this is my home page. There will be lots of information here. If there's documents I need students to access or I want them to have access to outside of Canvas, I may put that here. There are some how-to links for how to access specific technology students will need for remote learning. Here you'll see under the welcome, my introduction, the schedule that I have this year. Again, contact information, my grading policy, all that information is on that first welcome page. But what I'm going to take you to right now is the syllabus. So here's the syllabus, and it's one syllabus for both classes. So here's the information for my first block CA, which is that Math 1 supported CA. There's a remind code here. So if another way for you to contact me and how I will be contacting people is through remind. And then here is the information for the third block CA class with the remind code here. Notice that I have the virtual or synchronous learning time as well as office and conference hours listed. Again, here's my contact information, a description of the class, and grading policy. So one of the things I wanted to go over very quickly is there's 4 areas that I'm going to be assessing: participation, classwork, quizzes, and progress monitoring. Participation just means students are showing up to synchronous learning, or they're letting me know when they aren't able to attend, but they're still doing all the work that is involved in that. That's as long as they're doing that, they're going to get that participation credit. Classwork will be something specific that I'm assigning for students to do. It may be during synchronous learning. It could be independent work I'm having them do outside of synchronous learning as well. Quizzes will be graded for accuracy, and that's specifically assessing a skill that I've taught them to see how much they understood. Now, progress monitoring is something specific to IEP goals. This particular area is not going to be graded for accuracy. I am checking to see how students are progressing on their goals. So I'm asking that students try their best on these problems. Don't look up answers online. Try to do this independently so that I can see where I need to focus my attention on their IEP goals. Here on the syllabus are all the expectations for Microsoft Team meetings. One of the best things that one of the main things I should say that I wanted to express is that students just do their best to show up on time, be respectful, come prepared with paper, pencil, and a charged computer. That's mainly what they need. Maybe access to a calculator, but other than that, that's mostly what they need. Please feel free to read this on my webpage at your leisure. And then other information you may need to know, like I said, I'm going to be taking attendance daily. That is going to be inputted into PowerSchool. And any communication that I need to make will mostly be by email or through Remind. However, if I have to contact a parent by phone, I will do that. Students' first assignment is going to be an acknowledgement saying that they've reviewed this information with their parent or guardian. And I'm also asking them to submit updated contact information for their parent or guardian so that I can keep everyone in the loop with regard to what the expectations are, what we're doing, and other information that I may need to relay to parents and guardians. Please, please, please do not hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions, concerns, suggestions. I am open to everything, okay? And I am so looking forward to working with parents, guardians, and students this school year. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Bye.